Hey, welcome to Revelana tutorial video. This one's about Google Domains and pointing your domain to the Revelana system. So this is specific to Google Domains. So what you want to do is go to domains.google.com. You want to log in, or you can log into your Workspace account and then also just look for your domains area and go to manage domains. And then you're going to choose the domain that we're going to be messing with if you own more than one. In this case, it's MedTouchUp. So now we go over to the DNS management. And then when you're over on this page, you're actually not going to see this. You only see this because we've already done this. And I just want to show you the end result of what it looks like. It's just we have MedTouchUp without www, and we have MedTouchUp with www, right? So just pretend we've come in here and done nothing. So you're going to have a lot of really scary gobbledygook down here. You can just ignore. All you want to do is say manage custom records, right? And when you click there, if you only see one of these across, you want to go to create a new record, and then two of these are going to show up at the same time along here. One of them you want to have empty, one of them you want to have www. You both want to have a record, and then in both of them you want to choose 10 minutes, 10 minutes. And then you want to put in our magic number here. This is our magic IP number that points your domain to the Revelana system. So once you're done, you press save and they show up. I'm going to press cancel because we've already done it. You press save and they show up here. Now keep in mind, it takes some time to propagate. They don't, like Google works pretty fast. It was almost immediate for us that I then went over to Revelana. I went into the Revelana system for MedTouchUp, and then I went over to domains. And if you don't see domains, remember you have to click the word settings down here, and it brings you to this particular nav choice. You click on domains, and in this case, the domains are there because I already set them up. But I want to show you, all you do is you click add domain, right? And I did this twice, two different times. I did one with www, with her whole medtouchup.com. I did it like that, and then I pressed add, and then it gives me two questions. It asks me, where do you want to connect it? And that answer is to her website. And then it says, which page? Home. Okay. So you want to do that in both cases. So once you have the non-www set up, add new domain with www, and then choose connect it to your website and connect it to your home page. And then it's done. Okay, and then that's the end of the video. There's far more to do, but we have separate videos for everything else. I hope you appreciate it. I know we appreciate and absolutely love you. Talk to you soon.